Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm going to be unboxing the January Pretty Little Thing beauty box. This is how it arrives. This is the Wellbeing beauty box. It costs £15, £3.99 shipping to the UK and £7.99 shipping internationally. And it has a value of £57. I do have a playlist of Pretty Little Thing beauty boxes on my channel, and I had a bit of a bad experience. I think it was last year, it could be the year before, trying to cancel this subscription, but I can't find any information about their subscription on their website. So have they gone back to what they always used to do, which is just one-off limited edition beauty boxes, and they scrapped the subscription? I have tried to have a look, but I can't find any information. Prior to the subscription, they used to bring out regular limited edition beauty boxes, different price points, and yeah, some of them were really good. I wanted to get this one because it ships internationally, and I have a lot of viewers that live outside the UK, so I know this would appeal to you lot too. There's some quite nice things in here, including a candle, which you all know I'm obsessed with candles. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. But yeah, let's go on to showing you then what's inside the January Wellbeing edit. There's 7 products in total, and you got this nice little keepsake box. Starting off with the smelliest item is the candle. We've got a Yankee candle. This is Bubble Time. Very new scent for me. I haven't smelled this before. And there's 104 grams there. Now, there's no information about the products inside the box, but as with most of these boxes, if you want to find out more information about the products, then you'll be able to do so on their website, as they sell these products on their website. It smells really nice. I was expecting it to be really sickly sweet, and it might well be when I burn it, but no, that's nice. It is nice. I can't describe it for you. Just gone online and I can tell you what it smells like. Okay, so it has top notes of white sage, Italian bergamot and dewy greens. It has mid notes of lavender blossom, black pepper, fresh water accord, and a base of cedarwood and sheer musk. It is nice. It is nice. It's got a Bubble Time candle by Yankee Candles. Then we've got a hand wash. This is from This Works. This is Stress Check Gentle Wash. Sulfate free wash with ylang ylang to remove impurities and maintain a sense of calm. And there's 250 grams. I really love having hand washes in beauty boxes. You know, we use them all the time. So if it smells really nice, bonus, isn't it? And it's a nice size as well. But yeah, it's nice. Is it just ylang ylang? Check your stress and bring a moment of calm to your day in 98% natural super blend of vitamin B5 and Bio Boost botanical oils to cleanse without stripping skin of its natural moisture, and ylang ylang, lavender and neroli essential oils to help maintain balance in body and mind. It says you can use it on your hands as a hand wash, or you can use it as a body wash. I've just recently had a large shower gel body wash in, I think it's an M&S beauty box. So I'm going to put this in the bathroom as a hand wash. So yeah, really happy with that. Next, we've got something wrapped up. What is this? Pretty Little Thing Lip Oil in watermelon. Oh, I love watermelon. Oh wow, that's super bright. Does it actually have a colour? Yeah, it does, a very slight tint. I haven't got a mirror with me, so I'm just going to look to the side and apply it a little bit. Anyway, I'm wearing a matte lipstick, so it's fine. Huda Beauty, it shouldn't come off. The camera's too far away. I can't really see what I'm doing. I'm just guessing. It's lovely. I am obsessed with lip oils, especially when I wear matte lipsticks. Oh, it is so nice, and it smells amazing as well. Right, I'm gonna see. Yeah, I can see. I really like that. So yeah, it's a watermelon nourishing lip oil in Pretty Little Thing's own brand. Yeah, that's gorgeous. We've got Olaplex for your hair. This is number 8. This is a mask. Bond Intense Moisture Mask. It moisturizes, smooths, add body and shine. It's for all hair types, and there's 20 mils there. So one use sort of size, well, it depends. If you've got hair down to your bum that is super thick, then you might get a little bit of treatment on your ends, maybe. I've used this before and it's a really great mask. My hair's quite dry and it does feel really nice after using this. And yeah, you just apply it as you normally would to your hair as a mask. So there's that. Then we've got Beauty Works. This is a 10-in-1 miracle spray. Delivers 10 benefits. Does it tell me on the back what they are? Eliminates frizz, restores shine, nourishes, replenishes oils, protects from heat, detangles, conditions, prevents split ends, enhances natural body, repairs dry and damaged hair. It just says spritz daily on damp hair and distribute with a detangling comb. There's 30 mils here. Now every time I've tried this, I just seem to have put too much on because it leaves my hair really lank and greasy looking. So I've got really thin, fine hair, so I have to be really careful. I love leave-in sprays, especially as they claim to do so much to your hair. I'm too impulsive. I spray the heck out of my hair and then I think, oh, why on earth did I do that? But I've got full size of it, so I'm not going to give up on it yet, but I will give it a go again and just do just a few sprays and see how I do with it, because it's such a handy size, isn't it? Like, I'm thinking if I go away the weekend or something like that, you know, heat protection spray, it's brilliant. If you've got really thin, fine hair and you've tried this, let me know what you think of it. I'd love to hear. Next, we've got a product from Pixi. This is the Glow Tonic, 5% glycolic acid, and it's an exfoliating toner. And there's 100 mils there. We used to receive these all the time in beauty boxes. It's an iconic toner. It is really, really good. It's for all skin types, exfoliates and brightens, can be used AM and PM as needed after cleansing. And yeah, you just apply it either with your hands, it's up to you, or what I do, I use like a rewashable pad. And yeah, it's a nice tonic, really, really good. I like that, I like that it's come in a little box. Maybe it was like a Christmas special or something. Like a bauble. So we got that. And then lastly, we got I was going to say gua sha then, but it's not gua sha. It's a jade roller. This is from Revolution. If I can get all the fluff off it, I'll get it out now and show you properly. I prefer these to a gua sha. I just love the feel of them. I've already got one of these, so I will be passing this on if I can get it out. Oh my gosh, how do I get it out? Oh, there. So you've got a little one, which you can use under your eyes, and you've got a larger one for your face. I spritz my face with a facial spray, and then I'll add a serum to my face, and then I'll just roll my face. Oh, yeah, it is really nice. It is so nice. I really like it, especially the little one as well. And especially if you put it in the fridge. I used to have a fridge. I haven't got a fridge anymore. A little tiny one, you know, one of these little cosmetic fridges. It's in my daughter's bedroom. And my actual roller's still in there, so I haven't done it in a long while. I've been gua shaing more recently, but I do prefer this. I just love the way it feels on my skin. Move the roller across your face, moving outwards from your nose. Can also be used on your neck in an upwards motion towards the chin. Wipe roller after use and leave to dry. So you got facial roller, so it's good for depuffing, lymphatic drainage. Yeah, it's really nice. I do really like it. There's that, and those are all the products in the January Wellbeing edit from Pretty Little Thing. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We got a Yankee candle. It's a bubble time scented candle. We got a This Works Stress Check. It's a gentle wash for body or hands. We got a Pretty Little Thing own brand watermelon nourishing lip oil. We got a Pixi Glow Tonic with 5% glycolic acid. Got Beauty Works 10-in-1 miracle spray for your hair. We've got Olaplex No.8, it's a hair mask. And lastly, we've got a rose quartz facial roller from Revolution. It costs £15 and has a value of £57. I really like it, and which is why I went and bought it, because I knew that some of you would really like it too. I love the fact it's got a candle in there. Really happy that it's a scent I like, because it's always a bit hit and miss, isn't it? But it's quite musky, and I really like that. I adore the lip oil, it's gorgeous. The hair products, I do think it's a really nice put together box. The only thing I'm giving away, and the only reason I'm giving it away, is because I've already got one, is the facial roller. Otherwise I would keep it. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you seen it already and you've bought it for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, oh, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.